How to create material instance in Unreal Engine 5. First, I will right click and create material. And I will open it, double click. And next, I will select base color and right click and promote to parameters. And here I will change these colors to red. Okay. And I do the same things, promote to parameter. And this one also we do it again. I will change this value to 1. Yeah, I think it's okay. And next I will apply and save it. And the next thing, I will select this material and right click and select create material instance. Also you can change this name, but I don't want to change it now. Also you can create another one. And I will open this one. And yeah, you can see here you can change this color. And also you can change this roundness or change speculoos. And I save it. And we do the same thing again. You can change these colors, roundness or speculoos. And I think material instance is really fast to create another material to base the same material. Yeah, that's it. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like my content, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. See you next time.